performance. Thank you, my dear friends. We all know that education is the key to unlocking a brighter future. It empowers us to dream, grow, and make the world a better place. But sometimes we forget how valuable it truly is.
To remind us about the importance of education, our talented students are here to present the meaningful and inspiring drama. Through their performance, they will show us why education is not just a right, also a responsibility for all of us.
So, let's give a big round of applause as our little stars take the stage to share this powerful message through their drama. Participants are Nilanjana, Bithika, Senji, Madhusri, Arunima, Sayoni, Anita, Puspita, Ayanjita and Shantanu.